In today's 2-Minute Tuesday, we'll talk about the importance of creatine and how to use it. Two minutes on the clock. Ang kagandahan sa creatine is that siya ang most studied and most researched na supplement. It will help you build lean muscle mass and help you gain strength and endurance. Para sa mga nagpapapayat, ang ibig sabihin nito, mas madami kayong fat or calories na pwedeng ma-burn. Personally, it's one of my top 2 favorite supplement other than whey protein. Now, kung paano siya inumin, we usually drink 3 to 5 grams of creatine before and after workout. Creatine is commonly taken before workout. Evidently, makikita nyo siya sa madaming pre-workout supplement. Now, kung hindi ka nagpe-pre-workout and umiinom ka ng creatine on its own, you may just mix it with water. Sometimes, if hindi ako nakakain before workout, I also drink it or mix it with protein shake. And for post-workout, you usually mix it with your protein shake again. Creatine is very important kasi tinutulungan tayo nito mag-build ng lean muscle mass at pinapalakas tayo nito strength-wise and endurance-wise. So, our recommendation is that before workout, drink 3 to 6 grams of creatine. And post-workout, 3 to 6 grams of creatine again. It's very important for strength building, muscle building, and weight loss. One thing to keep in mind is that not all creatines are created equal. So in short, hindi lahat ng creatine, porket nakalagay sa label creatine, pare-parehas na. So here in Waking Supplements, sinisigurado namin na lahat ng creatine na ino-offer namin sa inyo, high quality. Kasi we personally take it ourselves. That's it for today's 2-Minute Tuesday, Waking Nation. I hope na-inform namin kayo ng mabuti about the importance and use ng creatine. If you have suggestions na topic, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.